silent. Please settle down, everyone. Team leaders are requested to please be seated with their respective teams. Yesterday is a dream, tomorrow is a vision, but a day well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope and success. Carrying the same vision, we successfully come to the verge of our 10th batch of MIT Summer School. Good morning. I'm Smita with my colleague Tanya Kaur.
Good morning.
We extend a very warm welcome to our respected director, sir, MIT Summer School, respected directors of all institutions participating in Summer School, faculties, colleagues, and my dear students. Without taking much of your time, I would invite our respected director, sir, Dr. Ajay Rana, to address these students. Sir, please. Please give a round of applause for him.
Thank you, Smita. Sir, with your permission, my dear students, parents, faculty members, Dargan sir, HOIs, dignitaries on the dais, and others. With the blessings of our Honorable Founder President Sir, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan sir, and our dynamic Chancellor, Dr. Atul K. Chauhan, you know Amity, why Amity is Amity. All institutions across the country as well as the globe, they expand their education not only for the overall development of the students, but only for academic parameters. But the philosophy of Amity is that we only inculcate only 26% only education and rest 100 with respect to the overall development of the students. So here, today is the words of this summer school concluding ceremony. This batch program was special for all because today we have completed 1 decade. That is our 10th batch. And this batch which witnessed the figure, there is a new milestone that first time we achieved the figure more than 240 across 90 schools across the country plus 44 regions. This time this curriculum program that designed by our faculty members, that designed by our HOIs and the industry experts. And I hope that you will enjoy the basic concepts. And for the next around 2 or 3 hours, you will enjoy the next concluding ceremony at your respective department. But this time, various career options. This time we include the new opportunity with the football team match, UEF Champion League, in the association of our 10 sports at Amity. Entire this credit goes to our Dargan sir and entire team. Sir, thank you. This summer school, we had the one opportunity with respect to the Greece Carnatic show, where we invite our students from the different domain. And the most important, there's the cricket match between 2 teams, Amity University Summer School and the team Nepal were the fun and only for excitements. Yes, we lost the match, but the match is really a true between the two countries. I would like to congratulate each one of you on the completion of your course, but I still remember the concluding ceremony of our first batch. When I had visited the Oxford and the different universities to analyze the concept of what is summer school. In India, we are the first one to start summer school. At that particular site, we received only 25 applications. I thanks to the entire parents who understand our concept, what is summer school. There's a lot of confusion about the parents and the students. Summer means you will engage our students for 10 days, swimming, dancing, and the different activities. But here the concept is that fill the gap between the student thinking and the parents thinking. Fill the gap, one generation gap between the students and the parents. Parent says, my approach is that you will become an engineer. Mother says, no, doctor. And grandfather says, no, your own approach. But the student says, Dad, listen to me. What is my approach? So that with this concept, we start the new program for this summer school. And gradually we have witnessed the exponential growth. I thanks to the entire the parents, you're the teachers, principals, and you see the popularity of the program and the today witnessed by all, summer school program in the big family, more than thousands of the students right now. Second batch onwards, we received a good response, and this time we received around more than 200. Our batch strength is only 200, but we will expand this around 240 and 250 something. My dear students, I know that you're taking the decision to join summer school during the midst of summer vacation. It is not an easy task. How to convince your parents? Compromising with the scheduled holidays planned by your parents before you say the 3 and 4 months. Not giving the priority with your friends and the family to give the dedicated 2 weeks have been the tough call. Very, you say the very tough decision, choose by summer school program. During these days, we will try to help you explore your horizon opportunities to avail each one of you inside the practical learning. What is the basic concept in computer science? Yesterday, I have met with one of the secretary of this Rajasthan government. His son says, sir, I want to become hackers. But that is not only the way that you join the computer science and you become the hacker. Try to understand the basic concept about the practical theories and the basic concept of the paper. I'm sure that you will bring the good information and know how back the benefit of your own career, those associated with you and your future dream. I also hope that you were not clear about before the future possibilities of your career, but now I think you are convinced which one is the best and not for you. Our students not only say the one home about the new knowledge, but as a guru, we are in a learning perspective as well. I always remember, I'm pastor from IIT Roorkee, and from the small middle class schools as well. But my thinking is only one thing, Guru Gobind dahu khade kake lage pae, palihari Guru aapne Guru Gobind diyo bataye. Because our approach is that open mind. Think beyond the black box, the approach. Think beyond the boundaries. So I hope that you will explore your opportunities, you will explore about our future perspectives. Over the year of summer schools, at Amity become the higher popular and admitted more than 500 schools with a great repute across India and abroad. With these words, summer school alumni, your seniors, also took the decision to join summer school program like you, and today I must say that the experience and knowledge they have obtained to attending the program helped them opt their dream career. Some of the students like Ajay Sehrawat, right now this is the MTV, this is the star performer, Dayali Chauhan. There's a lot of this Miss Femina, this to the India, she was from Amity summer school as well. And I'm sure the program will help you to all your planned career and the great confidence which one is the best and which one is the worst for you. And about MIT as well. And I hope that the most memorable, knowledgeable, enjoyable experience at MIT. Last, I give the task to you, my dear friends. When I joined MIT, my background is the computer science. My graduation is electronics, post-graduation the computer science, and doctorate in computer science. But I am the placement head with respect to entire MIT group. I am handing around more than 39 responsibilities of my group. Why? Please try to understand these basic concepts. Your degree is your basic foundation. But behave like your parents. What they say is, आप बहुत कलयुगी हो. What do you mean by Kalyugi? Kalyugi means not you say that the yug with respect to the machinery yug, but Kalyugi means you say that Kala ka yug, your way of expression, your way of communication, and your way of presentation. So try to understand their words, and the most important thing, that is the message for all of you. Remember one thing, life एक मिली है sir. क्या करना है, choice is yours, but हर पल तेरा ही नाम होगा. That is message for you, that my guru says these words for me as well. हर पल पे तेरा ही नाम होगा, तेरे हर कदम पे दुनिया का सलाम होगा. हर पल पे तेरा ही नाम होगा, तेरे हर कदम पे दुनिया का सलाम होगा. मुश्किलों का सामना हिम्मत से करना, मुश्किलों का सामना हिम्मत से करना, देखना एक दिन वक्त तेरा भी गुलाम होगा. विश यू गुड लक. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite Colonel Dagan, sir, for few words. I would request him to address the students and share his blessings with him. Please, sir.
Dr. Ajay Rana, Director, Summer School, respected parents who have come here, directors and HOIs, and my dear students. About 3 or 4 months ago, I had gone to Delhi Secretariat for a meeting when there was a discussion going on for setting up a communication university in India, and how life in Delhi can be improved, both in terms of quality and in terms of infrastructure. So during tea on the sidelines of the meeting, Dr. Manish Sisodia, he met me, and I was taken aback, absolutely stunned, when he told me that we are thinking of starting some activity for the school children during their summer break. And I believe that in Amity University you have a summer school certificate going on for the last 9 years. I actually told him that the moving force behind the summer school certificate for the last 10 years is one Dr. Ajay Rana. But I think this is one of the most beautiful suggestions and thoughts that has come to your mind. And that is why for the last almost about 2 months, you must have seen ads in the newspapers in which they have advertised summer school certificate programs to be organized in Delhi schools. And I am proud to be a part of this institution led by our visionary founder president and our dynamic chancellor who would be there. A long life to him, a big clap. I was mentioning about him and there he is. It is the vision of our respected founder president and the guidance given to us by our Chancellor Dr. Atul Chauhan that I told Dr. Manish Sisodia that this was happening, and nothing, of course, shared in terms of what we do. In our days, during summer, we used to think of going for holidays to a nani's house, masi's house, chacha's house, and that's it. But today you're also lucky. The times have changed that you come here and we put you through a process in which you can really decide on your career options in the future. Sometimes it has happened that the parents want you to become something. The parents guide you. Please don't mistake me. The blessings and the guidance of the parents is a boon that is in your life and you have to follow. But at times, sometimes the creative aspect or other aspects of a child are not known to the parents. And it's here, when you come here, we put you through a process in which you can decide on what you want to do. Yesterday, I had a concluding ceremony for the ASCO students, and I was absolutely taken aback. And I told them during my talk to them that the work that they have produced is better than what my other students do, regular students do. And one of the students, young boy, he said that I have been making YouTube videos, but this is where I have learned to fine-tune my talent, and I have come out to handle the bigger cameras. One of the girls on a mobile, she made a 10 minutes short film on the life of one of our guards working in Amity. And I was absolutely taken aback from the type of questions, the creative aspect, the scripting. And this time we also put them through, since we have a beautiful radio station, to conduct some programs on the radio, and they made a script out of it on their own. Maybe if there's time, you will see them here. So it is the directions given to us by our visionary founder president that today the strength in the last 10 years has grown from 35 to almost about 200 now. In my department, we had 49 students, and we have been handling only 10 to 15. So this has probably given you an opportunity to feel the university life, and one of the finest universities in the world that you come to. I have got a lot of pictures that I've seen, enjoying yourself, really fun, and some of the students yesterday mentioned that they don't want to go back, they want to spend some more time. With these words, and without taking any more time, I extend my heartiest and grateful thanks to all the students. We try to organize, and some of you saw that we had limited vacancies of the UEFA Champions League Football Cup in our studio. And I'm so proud you all sat down throughout the night, from 10:30 till 4 in the morning, and enjoyed the show. We'll have many more in future. You're now an alumni of Amity. Anytime you come across, you're most welcome to come over. And I, on behalf of our visionary founder, president, and our dynamic chancellor, convey my sincere greetings and blessings to you. Please select your career, and in case you feel, come back to us. All the best, and God bless you.
Thank you, sir. We would now like to showcase few small assignments prepared by some of our summer school students 2016. You'll be really thrilled to see the hard work of these students.
of living independently. I'm pretty sure many a times. We have dreams, we have goals. That's great. But what are we actually doing to make them come true? The situation has changed altogether. What if you have absolutely no help anymore? What if you are on your own, by yourself? I was set to make a small film and wasn't sure what it would be about. But I became very, very clear what it's going to be about when I met this incredibly amazing person who was overflowing with joy and left me with goosebumps with his life story and state of happiness he had with it.
I'm from Musha.
Okay.
My name is Deepak. And I am a father of 2 children. I have got a good wife who is very understanding and very knowledgeable. After